How can a machine weighing hundreds of tons fly across the world? It all begins with one of the greatest engineering achievements ever created, a giant airplane. Years before construction begins, engineers design every part of the airplane using advanced 3D computer models and powerful engineering software. Before the first airplane is built, engineers test scale models inside giant wind tunnels to study airflow, lift, and stability. Modern airplanes use lightweight aluminum alloys, titanium, and carbon fiber composites to stay incredibly strong while reducing weight. Before a single metal part is manufactured, engineers build a complete digital airplane to test every system, reducing errors and improving safety. The fuselage is the airplane's main body. Giant aluminum and carbon fiber sections are carefully shaped and assembled with incredible precision. The wings are one of the most important parts of an airplane. They are carefully built to generate lift while safely carrying thousands of gallons of fuel. Inside the airplane, hundreds of lightweight frames and support ribs create a strong skeleton capable of handling enormous forces during flight. The cockpit is the airplane's command center. It is filled with advanced flight computers and navigation displays. Communication systems and safety controls are integrated here. The tail keeps the airplane stable in the air. Engineers carefully assemble the vertical and horizontal stabilizers to ensure smooth and controlled flight. Finally, the wings, fuselage, tail, and cockpit are joined together with incredible precision, transforming thousands of separate parts into one complete aircraft. Each jet engine contains thousands of precision-engineered parts. Every blade is carefully manufactured to withstand extreme heat and incredible speeds. Once complete, each giant engine is carefully lifted and attached beneath the wings. Powerful cranes and precision alignment systems are used to secure them.
The landing gear must safely support hundreds of tons during takeoff and landing. It is one of the strongest parts of the airplane.
Powerful hydraulic systems move the landing gear, flaps, brakes, and flight controls with incredible force and precision. A modern passenger airplane contains hundreds of kilometers of electrical wiring, connecting thousands of sensors, lights, computers, and control systems. Instead of carrying separate fuel tanks, most large airplanes store thousands of gallons of fuel safely inside their wings. Powerful flight computers continuously monitor the airplane, helping pilots navigate safely while managing thousands of systems every second. After the aircraft structure is complete, engineers install seats, overhead bins, lighting, insulation, and cabin panels to create a safe and comfortable space for passengers. Beneath the passenger cabin is a massive cargo compartment, where luggage and freight are securely loaded using automated systems. At high altitude, the outside air is freezing and too thin to breathe. Advanced systems keep the cabin warm, pressurized, and comfortable throughout the flight. If cabin pressure drops unexpectedly, emergency oxygen masks deploy automatically, giving passengers time to breathe safely while the aircraft descends. Every emergency exit, inflatable slide, and fire protection system is carefully tested to help passengers evacuate quickly if needed. Inside the cockpit, pilots control the aircraft using advanced digital displays, flight computers, navigation systems, and precision flight controls. Before testing begins, engineers complete every final detail, from seats and lighting to Wi-Fi antennas and entertainment systems, preparing the aircraft for its very first flight. Before delivery, the airplane receives several protective paint layers that shield it from sunlight, moisture, and extreme weather, while giving it its iconic airline design. Before flying, engineers test each engine at full power, carefully checking temperature, vibration, fuel flow, and overall performance. Next comes taxi testing. This is where pilots verify steering, brakes, engines, and flight controls. The aircraft moves safely along the runway. Finally, the moment arrives. Test pilots take the new airplane into the sky, carefully checking every system before it can carry passengers. After thousands of inspections and successful tests, aviation authorities certify the aircraft, confirming it meets strict safety requirements before entering service. Once approved, the completed airplane is delivered to its airline, where it begins carrying passengers across the world.
As the engines provide thrust, air flowing over the wings creates lift, allowing this giant machine to fly smoothly through the sky. From thousands of precision-built parts to a successful first flight, every giant airplane is a masterpiece of engineering that safely connects people across the globe.
Like and subscribe to Hexamind for this type of amazing videos. Your support inspires us to create more awesome content.